Hello and welcome to How to Play Stop the Bus. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need a 52-card deck and some sort of tokens such as poker chips. Each player is given 3 tokens. These represent a player's lives in the game. Each player is dealt 3 cards, 1 card at a time. The remaining deck is placed into the middle. The top card of the remaining deck is flipped face up to start a discard pile. The object of the game is to not have the worst 3-card brag hand at the end of a round. The brag hands are ranked with the best being the prile, which is 3 cards in the same rank. The best prile is 3 threes, then 3 aces, 3 kings, down to the 3 twos. The next best hand is a running flush. 3 cards in sequence and in the same suit. The best running flush is ace 2 3 in the same suit, then ace king queen. 4 3 2 is the lowest ranking running flush. 2 ace king is not a valid run. Next comes a run. 3 cards in sequence. The suits do not matter. Ace 2 3 is the best run, then ace king queen, and so on down to 4 3 2. Next, a flush, 3 cards in the same suit. If players tie with a flush, they will compare card ranks, aces being the highest, then kings, down to the twos being the lowest. Next, a pair, 2 cards in the same rank. If players tie with a pair, they will compare card ranks. First the rank of the pair, if still a tie, then the rank of the third card. The final hand is high card when no player has a previously mentioned hand. With multiple high card hands, compare the highest card first, then the second highest, then the lowest to determine a winner. The player left of the dealer is first to take a turn. On a turn, the player can choose to draw the top card of the deck, draw the top card of the discard pile, or announce Stop the Bus. Announcing Stop the Bus means that a player is happy with their hand and wants to end the round. Rusty goes first in this game by drawing the top card of the deck. Rusty will discard 1 card to end his turn. Play moves clockwise left to the next player. Tess draws the top card of the discard pile and discards a card to end her turn. Players continue to take turns drawing and discarding with the goal of creating the best possible brag hand. If a player is happy with their current brag hand, the player will announce Stop the Bus on their turn instead of drawing a card. This triggers the end of a round. Here, Tess has announced Stop the Bus. Every other player gets 1 more turn to draw a card. Once all the other players have taken their last turn, all players will show their hands. The player with the worst brag hand loses 1 of their tokens. Here, Linus has the worst hand with the lowest ranking flush and loses 1 of his tokens. A player that loses their last token is still in the game, but if a player with no tokens loses a round, they are eliminated from the game. The last player remaining in the game is the winner. If 2 or more players tie for the lowest ranking hand, the suits are compared. The suits rank with the best being spades, then hearts, diamonds, and last clubs. That wraps up How to Play Stop the Bus. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.